Hello and welcome to a brand new season of TechGig Code Gladiators 2019. India's biggest coding marathon is here to put your patience, passion and perseverance to the test.
This is TechGig. We are here to win big at TechGig.
TechGig Code Gladiators, the biggest coding competition, has seen tremendous participation over the years. In the sprawling campus of Reliance JIO, the cream of India's coding minds came together to participate in this knowledge house of growth.
TechGig is one of the biggest coding events in India, and I'm very passionate on coding.
It's the largest platform for young coders like us.
TechGig is a great platform for developers like us, and Code Gladiator is a very good competition for showcase our skills.
Participating in the TechGig, it's an amazing experience. I traveled from Dubai, so I traveled specially for this hackathon.
This year as well, the competition has gained momentum and has become a strong platform to reckon with.
TechGig Code Gladiators is a very good platform to explore something new.
Brings together a huge community of coders who are interested in diverse technical areas.
It is really a very interesting event for every other developers.
It excites me always, such that it's an interesting area where we can find something new.
TechGig and Code Gladiator as a event platform is trying to give you guys, by giving you latest technologies, by bringing sponsors who would want to meet you guys, give you new problem domains, seek your opinion on the solutions that you would think is the right solution in the market. And you are the creative brains today, and because you are among the finalists in this event, for me, you are the best people. I take this opportunity to welcome all of you from the sponsors and formally announce that let's start the event and look forward to the best coming out of you guys.
Kicking off things, the proceedings of TechGig Code Gladiators 2019 was a theme-based hackathon which was organized for coders. The themes specific to different verticals were driven by some of the best tech firms across India. New commerce, testing, blockchain, RPA, Chatbot, Internet of Things, Fintech, artificial intelligence, Alexa and location services.
We'll begin. 3, 2, 1 and let's go.
Credit Suisse, one of the world's leading financial services providers, was one of the architects of the hackathon with their focus on Chatbot.
With the ever-changing landscape of technology, it has become very imperative that we reach out, we retain and we hire the top talent in the country. And exactly in this context, we think that TechGig Code Gladiator 2019 gives a platform to us where we can connect to top talent across the country in one single place. That's extremely important.
At TechGig Code Gladiators 2019, interactions with an amazing pool of talented top coders, discussion with them on the latest technology and functional aspects, and communicating them about Credit Suisse vision, culture, conduct and ethics, I think is a key to build lasting connect.
It's great to see that at TechGig 2019 Code Gladiators, people are very keen to know more about Credit Suisse and that they're looking forward to an opportunity to join an organization like ours, which has a long heritage.
Credit Suisse has established a strong brand in India as a leading financial services provider. Our goal over the last couple of years has been to establish Credit Suisse IT India as an employer of choice for technology talent. Over the last few years, we have strengthened the profile of Credit Suisse IT in India and have been able to do this through different channels we use to interact with the local IT industry and the talent market. We sponsor and participate in relevant technology events that provide us an opportunity to demonstrate capabilities and connect with technology talent in India. For example, NASSCOM, Grace Hopper, TechGig and others.
IT in India is increasingly a centre for the leadership and implementation of strategic programs, the delivery and maintenance of core platforms, and a hothouse for innovation for the firm, driving the adoption of new technologies to better service our clients. Credit Suisse IT India represents a large fraction of our global IT workforce. Teams in India support our wealth management and markets businesses front to back. Global functions such as enterprise and operations risk and global reconciliations are now managed from India. Strategic platforms such as our global exchange link infrastructure is developed and supported by our India team. We recognise that India is a source of outstanding technology talent, and we have positioned ourselves to realise its full potential for the benefit of the bank and its clients.
Young talent gets us a lot of advantages. I think they give us they get a lot of energy, a lot of enthusiasm and new ways of working to the organization. We have a campus hiring program that we've been now running for a number of years. That helps us attract this talent into the organization. What this program does is it's a 2-year extensive program which helps the young talent learn various aspects of the bank and work through various divisions and teams within the bank, get exposed to new technologies within the bank. What we also help them is give them an exposure and to work with the senior leaders within the bank.
Diversity, particularly gender diversity, has been a key focus for IT in India. The Real Returns program of Credit Suisse gives talented and experienced female professionals who have taken an extended career break the opportunity to transition back to workplace through structured paid program.
Credit Suisse India IT team was set up around a decade back with 2 primary focus. Firstly, end-to-end ownership, innovation and delivering niche products, and secondly, to build a relevant technology capability in India. The IT team here closely partners with our key business stakeholders across the bank globally in creating these technology systems that deliver value to Credit Suisse clients. These IT systems vary across a wide spectrum of areas, such as high-end trading system, low-latency exchange gateways, robust risk monitoring system, and state-of-the-art data analytics around trading strategies. This and much more enables the bank to serve our clients.
Our vision for Credit Suisse IT India is to establish ourselves as a premier banking technology organisation in the Indian market and a centre for technology innovation for the bank globally. In March 2019, we moved to our new state-of-the-art smart working facility here in the Eon Free Zone in Pune. I brought the majority of our staff under one roof, enabling learning and collaboration across teams. Over the last couple of years, we have been working towards enhancing roles in India with a much higher degree of ownership and accountability for global delivery. Technology today is changing at a faster pace than perhaps ever before, with technologies such as AI and machine learning and integrated chatbots disrupting the traditional operations within banking and the financial industry. They are changing the way we service our clients and how we process our business. We have been at the forefront in adopting some of these technologies, and we have been upskilling our teams here in India to deliver value to our clients globally.
Mapping and location services expert JIO Technologies also brought their set of coding challenges to the table for the gladiators.
Code Gladiator allows us to reach to one of the biggest global developer communities so they can learn about JIO Technologies location services which are powered by location platform, and we can learn about their specific needs. Thanks to Code Gladiator, we can focus on APAC challenges which revolves around smart mobility, multimodal, two-wheeler pickup and delivery, including last mile connectivity, and such hackathons allows us to get some forward-looking solution and out-of-box thinking.
JIO Technologies is rated as one of the best location content providers across the world by a lot of analysts. There are primarily 4 reasons for this. We look at the map content in dimensions of accuracy, richness, freshness and coverage. And we achieve this by collecting billions of data points across many input sources. A lot of this is put through our machine learning algorithms, and then we assess the level of quality of what goes into the end product. To give you an example, some of our HAD maps are so accurate that you could basically measure dimensions within centimeters, and the accuracy level is more than 99%. So that sort of will give you a sense of how accurate our location and accuracy is.
As a platform company, using open location platform, we have the ability to accelerate the development of innovative location-centric products. OLP is a real game changer, a cloud-based collaborative big data platform, agnostic to data type and sources, allows companies and developers more opportunity than ever before to unlock the power of location intelligence in their application and services, including things like ingestion. Bring in your own data, different type of data, POIs, sensing or streaming sensors, other geotag data, to create location context in their application, still keeping and retaining the access control and the privacy. The second is enrichment. You can leverage the huge data set, the real-time data coming from wearable, IoT, city infrastructure, vehicles, real-time moving vehicles, again to create that location context into your application and services. The third is processing. You can use algorithm available there on the OLP, or you can bring in your own OLP to create that context of historic or temporal or real-time. And then processing, you can actually share that with the whole ecosystem on OLP or with your own channel.
With the eye on the prize, each participant worked tirelessly to ensure that their results and solutions to thematic-based coding problems were well received.
We are extremely happy to be the part of TechGig event and sponsoring the blockchain. Fundamentally, Bosch has always been investing on new upcoming technologies like artificial intelligence, blockchain. We see blockchain having good potential in the future to come up. Fundamentally, blockchain is distributed systems collaboratively working, in contrast to monopoly systems in the past, what has been happening. And if you look at blockchain, it is going to convert the entire IoT ecosystem, basically it's just Internet of Things, into economy of things, where machines are going to negotiate contracts, execute contracts powered by artificial intelligence. That's a potential. If you look into the future there, we see many more businesses will completely change the business models. It's not just business models, even it's going to be a social innovation, what we are seeing. Bosch is well known for mobility, but we have expanded to many more fields beyond mobility, like smart agriculture, smart healthcare or connected healthcare, connected industries or smart cities. We see the power of technologies like artificial intelligence, IoT and blockchain coming and disrupting every vertical, and we believe so that we can work in all those industries. My expectation will be transcend beyond just code and the tools that are used. Look at the systems and underlying concepts. That way you will be able to add a lot more value to the businesses.
As the hackathon entered into the night, contestants aimed to win glory, fame, recognition, and, of course, a huge prize money. But in the overall scheme of things, the competition was more than just that. It was about gaining experience and powering the way for emerging technologies. But at the end of the day, victory would be determined by one's patience and passion to win.
It's time for a short break, but our special feature, TechGig Code Gladiators, continues on the other side. We'll be right back. Hello and welcome back to our special feature on TechGig Code Gladiators 2019. Here at the country's fiercest coding battle, the competition is cutthroat, a sentiment that we experienced firsthand as we spoke to coders ourselves at an all-night hackathon.
While winning the competition was the main objective, to set their mind free, most participants took time off by indulging in gaming activities provided by gaming partner Smash.
It's very important to have such a brand like Smash at the TechGig, because we know that this is a very good and a very big platform to showcase brands like Smash. So it was initially started by the cricket legends Sachin Tendulkar and our cricket sensation Virat Kohli. So they are the brand ambassador of this brand. So their motive was to spread this our brand Smash with all the sports facilities and all the sports games, whether it be cricket or any other game, to each and every corner of the country. So we are happy that it is spreading in all the parts of the country, and with showcasing this our brand at this type of platform, we are sure that not only in India but in other countries also we will have a good response.
It was all fun and frolic and the need of the hour for these coders who put their minds under rigorous pressure. As the 24-hour struggle in the battle zone came to an end, it was time for the real game to begin. Based on the themes, participants had to present their solutions to a jury and deliberate over cause-effect of their solutions.
This value is close to 0, then it means that test case is likely to fail. We have provided a configuration for that, and these are some of the parameters like must-have test cases. So I have just added one for the time being, and these are test identifiers that we have divided.
I want you to spend some time on the classification. That is what not so clear in the last few minutes.
So this is an RFID tag. Now these things are present everywhere. I think many of your ID cards right now would have an RFID tag in them, because I saw people placing them on the scanner.
Coming here, we saw the quality of the participants and we were amazed that superb skills almost everyone was working on, and we thought that we might be finally got some really good competition. But yeah, we also worked on a great skill and we are glad we were able to finish it in 24 hours.
I am excited and nervous as well, but I'm trying to keep my calm. We'll see what will happen. I'll try to explain them what I did, what my thought process was. So rest all we'll see.
Has been taken directly into the extract.
I know you don't have it right now, but how easy is it to do that? So that's what her question is about.
Every commercial vehicle in India, except auto rickshaws, should have GPS devices.
The experience was really good. It was a challenging statement that we were given, a problem statement, and we found some ways to do it. And right now in the final round also, we had interacted with other teams which were quite good in the participating, how they were participating in it. We tried to do our best, and I hope we win this.
What do you think is a differentiator of your implementation using blockchain?
For the transaction, only 5 transactions, top 5 transactions were showing. Yesterday we asked you also.
Let's see what are our chances for winning the TechGig Code Gladiators blockchain hackathon. But the thing is, since it involves participants from all over the India, and the participants, they can be even college graduates and they're even IT professionals ranging from different experience. So yeah, overall it's a good feeling to compete with such a huge diversity of crowd.
So number 1 would be to detect car using the mask RCNN. Mask RCNN is a very fast algorithm which is an improvisation of CNN.
I tried my level best, but I know that people are really good over here, so fingers crossed.
As the going got tough, the tough got going. With the end of the theme round, participants had to gear up for the biggest battle on the campus, the TechGig Code Gladiators Codeathon. one big challenge, and India's best coders sat down to solve a gargantuan problem like never before.
Companies are looking at you, people are looking at you to create innovations. And I have seen many of those people who have succeeded in this Code Gladiator being either offered a job or offered money for their next ventures. So I request you all to put your best. You have already succeeded in terms of becoming a part of the finale. Now you need to put your best, and I am sure success awaits you.
Their eyes glued to their screen. Not a distraction in sight. This is their true spirit of coding. The best minds focused on solving the ultimate challenge. But only one will rise as the winner.
Well, that brings our special feature on TechGig Code Gladiators 2019 to a close. But who will ultimately be crowned India's finest coder? Find out in our finale episode. We'll see you next time.